if you're good now, I'll drop.
Go ahead and drop.
Dropping. Woo. Wow, thing was poppy.
I know.
I kind of flailed off it, but the landing was good.
Fucking awesome.
Dropping. Oh. Ah, I took a dumb line. How did yours go?
Oh, dude, it was so sick until I fell.
Wait, give these clouds 2 seconds. Yeah, you're good now.
Dropping in 5. Ah, no. Just like lay one out.
Fucking ill, dude. You gotta go just a little more off the nose and get that pocket.
I just don't want to land in the trees.
You won't. You have to go really big for that.
Yeah, I see you go split the difference of those trees.
Yep, I'm good to go.
10-4, dropping in 3. Yoo!
Perfect.
That was fun.
That's how we do it. That was sick.
Fuck yeah, that was sick.
That's such a good jump for a backflip.
Right?
More time.
I'm feeling good about this light patch right now, if you're feeling good.
The one that's about to go like in the next like 10 seconds.
Dropping in 10. I didn't have as much speed as I wanted.
But it looks so good.
Like,
Keep it.
yeah, we could.
I don't think you could have done it any better your first try.
If I had more speed, I wanted to air to that pillow.
You overshot it.
Yeah, I did.
You like barely overshot it.
Hey Gabe, just give me the circle when you're ready for me. All right, dropping in 5. That was decent snow.
Dude, fuck yeah, bud.
All right, how are you boys looking down there?
Kyle's ready.
You're good, Gabe? Okay. All right, I'm gonna tell him drop it in 10. Drop. Wow. I almost went bigger than I wanted to.
You went way bigger. Oh, you landed in a good spot.
I know. I just over rotated.
Looks sick. And you can't even, you can barely tell from here that you bomb rolled.
The trees are so tight up there, you can do no sit-up turn. I actually smacked my hand on the tree. Drop it. Whoa. Dude, that takeoff is crazy. No way.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What happened? I just pulled out rock.
I was not trying to land there. Are you guys gonna be bummed if I try another?
Not at all.
Just definitely can't go right this time. It kind of has more air time than I would have imagined.
Copy that.
Dropping. Oh. Woo. Snow's pretty good. Yeah, man. Oh, the turbo breeze. Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm ready. This is f***ing good.
10-4, dropping. Oh! Ah! I tried to hammer a turn and it wasn't deep enough.
Fucking huge.
Yeah! Oh, that was a good one. Oh! Wow. It's kind of like first true test for the 850. That trench just fucked us. For some reason I thought like you go in the trench it's already gonna be like firm.
Oh.
And we just went straight through a bush. Dude, we had that no problem. I wasn't even going hard. Like,
Oh god.
this is fun. A lot of bushes right here.
I'm like to my waist right now. Well, it's just a willow, I think, fucked us.
Yeah, it's so hollow.
You guys got a copy up there?
Yeah, just a little stuck.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm scared to do it too much.
I know, me too. Oh yeah, that was the tipping point. Oh. Holy sh- Oh, I think we're on.
All right.
Oh, that was fun.
What happened?
You guys cool if I drop, Kyle?
Come again?
Is it cool if I drop?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! Oh, that was pretty fun. That's good. That was better than I thought. Dropping. I'm not even sure if that was the right one or not.
No, you went a little too far. Riders right, hookers left.
It was sure fun though.
I got one frame of view where I got a pretty good turn, but we can rebate it and you can cut, because the one that you were supposed to do comes straight at me. So we can bump over and get that other one after.
Oh yeah, now I'm right underneath that one.
The one that's kind of crosses over the one that you did.
Yeah,
or if
but it's
you
just not
hugged-
super big, but it could be one sick turn. Trapping.
Kind of like when they let the rodeo fucking bull out of the pen right at that spot. You're
Oh, dude,
just
I felt
okay.
I felt like the workers in the uphill ski-doo fucking battles, and they're just grabbing the sled, trying to stop it. Go around.
What do you think, upper or left?
Really up to you, my man.
Say we just stick with the upper.
Or we can try the left. Try the left.
Left?
Alright, if you go more on the right outside of it,
Yeah, pull it. All right, probably 10 seconds out. Woo!
Dropping.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, Dave. So now I think we're going left.
Oh my
Dude,
God.
that was insane. That was way better than I thought. Ah, dude, it's kind of mental. Oh yeah, casual. Oh, no problem. We can afford.
We're sorry, guys.
I think we just keep going. There's the road tracks. Yo! What up?
Oh, you did it! Dude!
I don't think I could do this. It looks too big.
No, dude! Straight from you to me. Dude, go around and then come check this.
I'm gonna be able to go out this way. Oh my, there's Kyle's line. Yeah. Rogue Daddy. Wow. Dude, that was so fun.
Go check that out. It's insane.
Oh, yes. You hit kind of an insane cliff blind. That was beast.